Wait, wait, wait. May tumbler pala na nagpapakulo ng tubig mismo sa loob. As in on-the-go kettle. Yes, you're right. Tama ang narinig mo. This is the Hot Sip Instant Kettle Tumbler. And honestly, hindi ko in-expect na magiging everyday essential ko siya. Kung lagi kang nagmamadali or kailangan mo ng hot water anytime, this is it. Para siyang regular tumbler pero may built-in heating plate sa loob. You just add water, press on the button, as in a few minutes kumukulo na. Perfect for coffee, tea, oats, ramen, at lalo na for moms na kailangan ng warm water for baby formula. Convenient ito dahil super handy siya at especially pag nasa office ka, nasa car or traveling. Hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng kettle. Sa pantry, hot water station as in plug, press, you're good. Spill-proof pa, so safe dalhin kahit saan. May auto shut off siya, overheating protection, at ang ganda rin ng design. Sleek, lightweight, at hindi halatang kettle tumbler siya. Kung gusto mo ng instant hot drinks anytime, anywhere, trust me, the Hot Sip Instant Kettle Tumbler is 100% worth it. Kaya naman ilalagay ko yung link kung saan ko nabili ito. I-check out mo na.